Hello, my name is Mr. Luke. Hi. I went shopping today and I filled up my backpack with lots of snacks. So let's see what I have in my bag. What is this? Potato chips. Delicious. Potato chips. What else do we have in here? We have some biscuits. Biscuits. What else do we have in here? What is that? That is the nuts. We've got cashews and almonds and macadamias. Delicious nuts. What else do we have in here? We have some Pocky. Delicious Pocky. This is chocolate and banana flavor. Yummy. Many snacks. Let's see what else I have in my bag. I have some yum chocolate. Yummy bueno. Chocolate. What's this? Cocoa Crunch. Chocolate cereal. You eat this for breakfast. And what else? I've got something to go with the cereal. Some chocolate milk. Ooh, delicious. We're gonna make the most chocolatey cereal ever made with chocolate cereal and chocolate milk together. Let's do that. And this is a spoon to eat the cereal, and this is a bowl to put the cereal in. Lots of cereal. Yummy yum. Now we're going to put some chocolate milk in there. There we go. In goes the chocolate milk. Make sure you don't spill it everywhere like Mr. Luke did. Look at that. So now we've got our chocolate cereal and our chocolate milk all ready to go. Look at that. I eat it with my spoon. Delicious. Bye bye everyone.